Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LinkedIn Learning to your LinkedIn profile, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your LinkedIn account in a web browser. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type LinkedIn Learning into the search bar and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn Learning homepage. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. To create an account, click on the Join Now button and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, sign in with your LinkedIn credentials. After signing in, explore the courses available on LinkedIn Learning. Select a course that interests you and start watching. While watching, you can earn a certificate upon completion. To add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile, navigate to your course's completion certificate. At the completion banner, click on the option to share this achievement on LinkedIn. A pop-up window will appear with options for sharing. Make sure to select the checkbox to include the certificate in your profile. You can also customize the post before sharing. After finalizing your settings, click on the Post button. Now, return to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the Add Profile section button located near your profile picture. Select Recommended from the drop-down menu. Then, choose Add License or Certification. Fill in the details required for your LinkedIn Learning certificate. Be sure to input the certification name, issuing organization, and date of issue. Include a link to the certification if prompted. Finally, click on Save to add it to your profile. Your LinkedIn Learning certificate is now successfully connected to your LinkedIn profile. This allows your connections to see the skills and knowledge you've gained. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.